How to adjust Toro 570 sprinkler heads. Toro is a leading manufacturer of sprinklers and irrigation equipment. Among the company's many products is the 570 MPR line of sprinklers and sprinkler heads. The MPR series stands for matched precipitation rate, which means that all the sprinklers in the 570 line produce the same volume of water no matter what pattern or throw distance they are set at. This system helps avoid overwatering in some areas, or underwatering in others. All MPR sprinkler heads are interchangeable, but cannot be adjusted individually. Instead, you must replace the nozzle with another that has the desired settings built in. Things you'll need: needle nose pliers, new Toro MPR nozzle with desired settings. Purchase a new MPR nozzle with the desired settings. MPR nozzles are color-coded. Red will throw water 5 feet, green will throw water 8 feet, blue will throw water 12 feet and brown will throw water 15 feet. Locate the sprinkler that you want to adjust. Insert the needle nose pliers into the top of the nozzle, and pull the spray head straight up. Grab and hold the supply tube in one hand. Twist the existing MPR nozzle counterclockwise until it removes. Place the new MPR nozzle on the supply tube and turn clockwise until tight. Turn the supply tube until the opening on the new nozzle is pointed in the direction you want the water to flow in.